The Somali Football Federation, SFF, has announced the dismissal of national team coach Abdellatif Salef from Morocco after only being in charge for less than 3 weeks. A statement from the Somali Football Federation's office said that coach Abdellatif Salef has insulted some of the Somali players who are currently training in the Republic of Djibouti. The Football Association also revealed that the Moroccan had mistreated the players during his short tenure in charge as the country's national team head coach. He has been using abusive language against players, mistreating them since taking office and not behaving in a good manner, a statement from the Somali Football Federation said. A statement from the Somali Football Federation also said that Somali players, especially the national team, were unhappy with the sacked coach's attitude, who the federation said did not have enough skills and experience to manage. The players were not happy with his training, as his skills and experience were not up to par, and he did not even come up with a training plan. The decision of the Somali Football Federation comes as our national team is currently preparing for the Arab Games in Qatar. The Somali Football Federation have in the past been accused of only hiring foreign coaches, thus neglecting Somali-born coaches who are available throughout the country.